What's up, guys? How you all doing? Hey, welcome to another DIY with MI. Today we are looking at a drill battery that has shot the pooch here. No worky, no mo. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this puppy apart and see if we can't rebuild the batteries inside for a whole lot cheaper than buying a new one. If that sounds like something interesting to you today, stay tuned because it's coming up right here, right now on MI Sperry. Okay guys, so as the intro said, I got a battery that is, we're talking dead. It is deader than a doornail, double D, doubly doodly dead. So, let's get this out of here. All right, so what we got today is we're gonna see if we can't open this up, figure out what kind of cells it has. Spoiler alert, I already know what kind of cells that it has because I've already ordered some. But anyway, we're going to take this apart and peel the cell pack apart and see if we can't rebuild the pack. So, got my other trusty dusty drill. I know, this is like blasphemy. I'm working on a Milwaukee part with a DeWalt part, but hey, who's gonna, who cares? It's, don't judge me. So, let's go ahead and take this puppy apart. We got some screws up top here. So we'll go ahead and disassemble this puppy. Let's get some. And they're these special little Torx or whatever. Ooh, that one's kind of. Let's see if I can get the goop out of it. Be a little more gentle with that one. All right, so let's see if we can get into her. All right, there we go. Nice, good hard plastic case. I don't know if it says what kind of plastic it is. J1, B, I don't know. Doesn't matter. We're going to take all this out anyway. So there's the little cell pack. You can see the little cells inside. So I'm going to see if I can get these things out of the side. There we go. There's one. These are the little do-funnies that snap it. Let's see if I can get it out of there. Come on, baby. Ooh, dang. Sucker's in there. Get a persuasion tool here. Tap. There we go. Come on, baby. Come on, dude. Fuck it. Come on. Come on. I don't want to break the plastic, but I do want it out of there. Ooh, wait. Maybe. All right. Hallelujah. Oh, looks like one of the cans got kind of scraped. All right. Hell with that. All right. Okay. So here we go. Looks like we have quite a few. It looks like these are, this is going to be a 14-4 battery. So I'm guessing these are anywhere from 3.3 to 3.7 volt. Nickel cadmium. Yeah, let's see. Yep, right there. NiCad. I don't know if you guys can see that. See, nickel cadmium. So these are good old NiCad batteries. And I'm going to try to peel this crap off of this. So let's see if I can, there we go. Try not to absolutely destroy it, but at the same time, get that off of there. Okay, so there we go. There's the little pack. So it's just kind of accordionly done here. So, yeah. So they've got it where I believe most all of this looks like they're just all in series. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's exactly what I was expecting, about 12 of them, because 12 times 3.3 or so should be, I'm thinking lithium 3.3. No, they're 1.2 volts, so 14.4 by 1.2, we got 12. So that's what they're doing. They've got, like I said, they've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So there's 12 of these batteries together in series. So I believe this one was, let me see if it'll tell me how many amp hour. 1.7 amp hour was this battery. So these Tenergy batteries that you can get, by the way, at allbattery.com. Check the link down in the description. You check out the link down there. It'll actually help the channel. It's one of them affiliate things. But anyway, I like their batteries. They do really well. Tenergy is a pretty good manufacturer. But this one is, if you can see it, this one is 2200 milliamp hour. Woohoo! So I'm getting another 300 milliamp hours out of these. So yahoo, this is going to actually be better. And see, it's pretty much, it's the same exact size. as these. So what we're going to do is I'm going to tear this pack into pieces, and we're going to see if we can't weld up brand new ones using the Sunkko spot welder, and we're going to see if we can't basically make the same thing. Okay, I'm back with a pair of cutters, but I'm going to first see if I can at least just, maybe I can break it off the cell. That's kind of my main hope. Oh, I don't think that's going to happen. So at least get it up where I can maybe get some cutters on it. There we go. And we'll cut that one off. All right, so that's cut free. Like I said, I'll make this look a little nicer. Let's do that. Let's cut that off. There we go. Make that look a little nicer. And then I believe it's exactly what that looks like is a little thermistor. See if I can peel that. But that tells the computer that's inside the drill. That's one of those in here. Tells it whether or not it's too high or not. And we're going to weld up basically the same thing using the new battery. So let's get the camera repositioned and we'll go back in with the welder. Okay guys, so we got the welder all set up here. It's all ready to rock. Got my new batteries, got the old ones, so I'll organize these like the new ones. What we're going to be doing today is I'm going to be using the pure nickel strip, if you guys can see that. Just because these tabs are fairly thick, or wide, I guess I should say. They're fairly wide, and if you look at these, they're almost the same width. So that's why I'm going to use the pure nickel ones. Plus, pure nickel conducts a little better than nickel-plated iron. So we're going to use the pure nickel ones on this pack, and we'll see what happens. So what I'm going to do, yeah, that's taking chunks out of the tab. Okay, so I think we're going to leave it with those settings. Hopefully one of the new batteries we can weld it pretty good. I think I'm going to hit it 4 times is probably what I'm going to do. So let's get some tabs welded up onto some batteries, shall we? Okay, so I've cut up a few tabs and I've arranged the grouping in the way that it should be. So now I'm going to go ahead. This is basically upside down. I have my phone over here. I took a couple pictures of the arrangement of this, and this is basically going to be it upside down is what I am putting together currently. So hopefully we should be good when we assemble this. Yeah, this is going to be upside down. I had it upside down to start with, so it's going to be this way. So I'm going to go ahead and get to welding, and yeah, that should be it. Okay guys, so there we go. We've got at least the back part of the packs welded up. Seems like the welding's going pretty good. We'll go ahead and finish up. I'll flip it over and we'll do the top side now. Okay, so we've got the majority of this welded up now, and what I'm going to do is we need to glue the thermistor in, and we need to do the top battery part that's going to hook on for the actual drill portion. So I'm going to leave off this middle tab just for right now, and we will glue that in and whatnot and do some other stuff. So give me just a second. Okay guys, so what I've got going on here is we got our thermistor and our little piece here. So I'm just measuring this out. Looks like that'll probably be good right there actually. I need to maybe make some few more bends. But I think we'll go ahead and throw some hot glue on her. Got my trusty hot glue gun here, so I'll just throw a bunch of it in there. All right, get that in there best I can. Hopefully the battery's together. Kick our welder back on here. We'll see if we can't get some sparks happening here. So let's turn this around. Do that again. All right. Now what I'm going to do is, since this had a little bit of non-conductive tape on it, I'm going to put a little Kapton tape on that just to ensure that these don't get in the way. But first, we're going to weld a few more tabs onto it. Okay guys, so I got the lid here. Make sure that things look like they're supposed to when we package this little puppy back together. I think it's probably going to be fine. Looks like it sits back like that. Try about like that. That's where it's going to be. So let's go ahead, put a tack in here, get all set up. That side, this side, tack down as well. And they're nice and good. All right, now I'm going to try to do kind of like a crisscross tack and get it to a little bit of sparkage. Okay, so I'm back with the old voltmeter here. So we're going to go positive to negative, see what we got. Make sure that we got some good welds. All right, I got about 15.2 volts. So that's great. That's exactly what we're supposed to be getting. All right, so let's go back to the garage. We'll reassemble this puppy and see if we can't get our drill to work. All right, guys, so we got her back out in the garage. So let's go ahead and see if we can't get this puppy to fit back in. So I already put this little card back on top. I'm hoping it has enough residual sticky. I don't know, it's not cooperating. So the next best thing, if you need some sticky, is good old duct tape. So I'll just duct tape this puppy. Hopefully the duct tape won't be too thick. Just duct tape it, see? There, good as new. All right, so let's see if we can't get her back in the box. Yeah, I was wondering if the duct tape would hang up. Well, no. Oh, yeah. It's hanging up on the sides here. Duct tape is a bad idea. Pull some of it out. There we go. Maybe we can get it to rip. There we go. Yeah, at least we got some duct tape on her. Yeah, it was kind of a good idea, bad idea, I don't know, but at least it's on there. Like a glove, that fits. All right, so now we got to figure out how to put these little hoopa joops back in. So I think that goes like that. Is that what that does? I don't know. I'm not sure. I can't see far enough to. Oh wait, here we go. Is that it? Beep beep. Okay. All right. So apparently, this little thingy, thinger wah, goes on like that. Apparently, and then we kind of Django it in there. Come on. There we go. It's looking promising, boys and girls. Let's see if we can get this puppy to go on. There we go. Come on. Snap. Snap, damn you. There we go. Seriously, I seriously think that this worked. Well, I don't know. We got something. Something's in the way. Oh, duct tape yet again. Anything to. Now, gotta be very careful and genteel. We're really dealing with batteries. Batteries are scary. Scary. All right. So let's see if we can get this on there now. Yeah. You snap. Oh yeah. Yeah, more or less. More or less, what's the back hitting on? The back is like it's hitting. Is it hitting or is it just me? No, I think it's just me. All right, let's put the screws back in her. So we're gonna throw one in the back here because the back's being kind of stubborn. There we go. There we go. Let's throw one in the front. Make sure everything's clear. There we go. All right. You know, I'm feeling good about this. All right, there we are. Let's get some more. Where are we at here? These NiCads are pretty simple to put back together just because of the fact that, you know, there's nothing to them. They're just NiCads, so they don't have any brains or anything fancy in them, you know? Yeah, feels pretty good. Let's see. Let's see, shall we? Let's see. That's looking pretty good. And that, yeah, does it have some girth to it? Ooh, 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 it's got some girth to it too. All right, so there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That is how you repair a 14-volt drill with new cells using a battery welder. And if you haven't checked out the review of the battery welder, check that out at the end of the video. It should be somewhere in this part of the screen or something like that, but definitely check that out. And guys, that ought to do it. Thank you for joining me. Please check out the links down below. Check out those affiliate links. That super helps the channel. Hit the like button if you like this content. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon. That bell icon gives you updates. So if you don't want to miss anything, hit that bell icon and you'll check it out. I try to upload Maker Mondays as well as I try to upload at least once a week on Wednesdays as much as I possibly can. So definitely hit that bell. You won't miss out on anything. Check out the forum while you're down there in the description area. Check out the forum. That way you can list out and talk about anything that you want, anything at all. So guys, I'm out of here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.